and welcome to our homeschooling journey. In today's video, I do want to share with you guys 3 pieces of advice that I would give to any new homeschooling mom, even seasoned homeschooling moms. My first piece of advice is going to be to keep your blinders on. Okay, social media is only going to highlight the good parts of homeschooling. When you're having a bad day, you don't really feel like picking up the camera and documenting all the bad. So you're not necessarily going to see the entire side of homeschooling, maybe only just the highlights. You're also going to come across people that have very strong opinions, whether they're positive or negative, and they could honestly like influence your decision making or just discourage you or encourage you into doing something you may or may not want to do. And it can easily start influencing your decisions and discourage you from doing what you actually really want to do. Keeping your blinders on is going to help you stay focused. That way, you can focus on you, your child, and what your family actually wants to do instead of just comparing yourself to what everyone else is doing. The second piece of advice I would give is to put yourself out there if it's something you really want to do, whether that be with faceless content or just completely putting yourself out there. You never know who's really watching and who's getting inspired by your journey. You also never know what opportunities can come from it, whether that mean brand deals, collaborations, trips, museums. You never know who might be willing to work with your family. So don't underestimate the value of your story and your journey. My third piece of advice will be to always do your own research, especially if you feel encouraged or discouraged by someone else's journey or opinion. No matter how amazing or negative someone makes a curriculum, program, or an experience out to be, always do your own research. Okay, if someone's giving you like a list of negatives, see if you are able to like counter any of those, or if there's anything you're able to adjust to make that work for you. And same with the positives. If someone is giving you nothing but positive feedback on a curriculum, go and Google and see what the actual negative reviews are. Don't be afraid to look into the actual downsides of it. That way, you can be fully prepared to tackle on anything and it doesn't come as a surprise. Knowing both the good and the bad sides of things are going to help you just be more fully prepared and being willing to be able to tackle on whatever comes your way. These are not the most common tips and tricks you might hear about homeschooling because I am coming from a perspective of a homeschooling mom who is sharing her homeschooling journey, getting collabs so that we can have amazing resources available for our little ones and also kind of bring in a second source of income for our family. So if that's something you're kind of trying to play with while, juggling both the mom, the homeschool, and the entrepreneur side of this, I hope this piece of advice is helpful in any way or form. I do appreciate you guys for being here. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please go ahead and drop them down below and I'll get to them later. Bye.